Yo, like them, man. Cook them boys up something real quick.
Hey, what's going on, Bistro family? Welcome back to my channel. Now, today we got the most amazing grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab you some good oat bread. I'm going to use some JFG peanut butter. Then we got some down home baked jams. We got the carrot cake jam. We got the watermelon jam. But today we're going to use the Christmas jam. Then we got some butter. So the Christmas jam got some cranberry flavors to it, also some strawberry flavors. So this is going to be a really incredible jam for this amazing grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich, almost like an adult PB&J. So first thing you'll do is get you the jam on your whole side of the bread, and it doesn't matter what side you use. And then the following step, we're going to get the peanut butter on that. We're going to do equal parts peanut butter and jelly. Now you can use your favorite jams if you don't have any of the down home baked jams, or you can order the down home baked jams. Follow them on Facebook. All right, then you're going to get some of that salted sweet cream butter down in the pan, and then you're going to actually add your sandwich to the pan. Now, it doesn't matter what side you go on. You could go on the jelly side or the jam side first and let that melt, but both of them are going to kind of melt together with this sandwich. But just make sure once you put that sandwich in the pan, you just rubbing it around the pan, just getting all that butter incorporated in there, and you also getting some texture with the sandwich because it's just crisping up at the same time. All right, once that backside looks like that, golden brown and beautiful, take it out. Then we're going to go ahead and add a little bit more butter to the pan, and then we're going to add the backside on. Now, I do it this way because it keeps me from not using a lot of butter. And also, I got more control over the sandwich, so I'm not going to burn it. So I'm going to do this side the exact same way, just agitate it around the pan just to create some more crispiness. And you can actually see the peanut butter is now melting off of the sandwich. And that is really incredible because it's melting into the bread as well. All right, once you pop that peanut butter and jelly out, or PB and jam out, go ahead and cut it open, and you have the amazing grilled PB&J from the Bistro. I want to thank you guys for checking this video out. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Like I said, get some of that down home baked jam. It makes the sandwich really incredible. But yeah, man, thank you guys for checking this video out. Really simple video today. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll catch you guys next week. I'm out.